Now we're just about halfway through the top 10 performances. Next, we have a group of ladies who were not afraid to switch things up during their audition and impress the judges with their contemporary arrangement. Singing Tambira Jehovah, please give a round of applause for the ladies of Westwood High School.
I heard a two-part harmony. I was waiting for the three parts, especially the fact that the first round you were like way up here. I was expecting more, but let's try and vote and see what happens.
It is a good song to try for a competition. It's just that if we had more parts in it, it would be dense and it would more represent what the style of singing. But I enjoyed what I saw.
I didn't think this was the best song for gospel night, so I'm hoping that we can work on it somewhere, yeah?
Keep Westwood in the competition with your votes. Just text or call 444-8805.